How to boost a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can boost a post on Instagram. Alright, so boosting a post on Instagram allows you to reach a wider audience beyond your existing followers, and whether you want to promote a specific post, increase engagement, or achieve other goals, there are steps on how to go about it. So the first step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here, and then move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon and select your profile icon. And so after you've selected your profile icon and you're brought to your profiles page, you'll see all of your posts being displayed here. And the next thing is to select the post that you would like to boost. After selecting the post, you'll be taken to you can double click on the post so as to be taken to the post interface, and so you can see the post here. On the post page, you can see two options just beneath the picture: view insights, boost post. Just go ahead and click on boost post. After clicking on boost post, you'll be taken to the next page. You can see choose how you'd like to boost on Instagram. How would you like to boost on Instagram? Would you like to boost with a Facebook ad account such that the advertisement would also affects your Facebook, or you want to boost without a Facebook ad account? You can select the one you want. For me, I will select without a Facebook ad account. Then scroll down and click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, the next step would be for you to select a goal. All right, what results would you like from this ad? More profile visits, more website visits, more messages? For me, I want more messages, and so you can select more website visits if that's what you want, or more profile visits. But for me, I want more messages. Move down and click on next, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. You have to select a target audience. Do you want a special ad category? Do you want to create your own, or do you want it to be automatic? So you can just leave it as automatic, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So now on this stage, next step is for you to set a budget. All right, so you can see $30 over 6 days, total spend on 5 to 4,000, automated reach. And so you can decide to run this ad until you post it, or you can decide to set a duration. Just select the one that works for you. All right, you can decide to set a duration like me, or you can decide to run this ad until you can post it. All right, and the amount might differ, or will definitely differ. So if it's something that you can afford, you can just go ahead and make use of that, as you can see here on my screen. So once you're done, move down and click on next, and then we're taken to the review page. And so once you can see this, check it out if it's acceptable by you, and then the next step would be for you to add a payment method. So by clicking on add a payment method, you'll be asked to select how you'd like to pay for this ad. All right, this is because boosting your post is not for free. So what's your location, what's your currency? Just go ahead, fill all of this, and then once you're done, click on next, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So on this stage, you can see the next thing to do is to select your debit card or credit card or PayPal, and you have to set a tax or business info, which is optional. Then click on next again, and then you'll be taken to the next page. Then on this page, add your payment information and all. And then after adding your payment information, the money will be deducted from your account. Then you have to go back and then click on save, and then just like that, your post will be boosted and the ad will be created such that your goal will also be met. So this is how you can boost a post on Instagram. As you can see, it is very easy to do. You can easily do it yourself, and if you need guidance, you can reach out to experts in boosting posts in order for you to be able to do it accurately and get your main goal. So this is how to go about it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.